everyone, it's Carla from Glitter Cat Studios. Happy Halloween! Yeah, I'm being stupid. Okay, how y'all doing? Okay, for today's video, I am going to continue working on my inventory for my Etsy shop, and that includes Halloween. And you might want to check out this recent tutorial that I just did of this little guy. Yeah, that's right, his eyes are glowing. And I show you how to do it with just a little bit of physics and some fun. Okay, so this next card we are going to be using some more of my new papers. I have two different sets here. The first one you got to check out is called A2 cards, A2 card faces, and these are exactly 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is the standard A2 size. In a couple of videos, I'm going to be showing you how to backlight this one, just like we did with the glowing cat eyes. But this is one page from that collection. I uploaded 12 different pre-made card faces, so that if you wanted to, you could slice them down, put them on a pre-made or handmade card backing, and there you go. This is another one. I thought this would be fun, that you could put glowing eyes behind the pumpkins, just on a piece of paper. Here's some more of these from now these are from my curated, it's called, Curated Backgrounds collection, but I also have one called Terminal Halloween. Sorry, I keep hitting this thing. And some of these are from those. So check out all 3 of those sets, because these are perfect as backgrounds, or you can even use them as focal points. You can put a nice little pumpkin in the front of that one, or a happy fall, y'all, you know, since I'm from the South. So we've got lots of different designs that aren't right here, right now. But this is what we're going to do today. I have already cut, let me turn on another light so you can see. Oh, wow, it's magic. I've already cut a black card. This is one of my backgrounds that I keep getting out of frame, guys. I'm sorry. This is one of my backgrounds that I designed. So I'm going to lay it down like that and just put some of this wonderful tape that I got from Amazon. I don't want to use up all of the fat stuff first, so I'll use the next. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try to get this one centered. I don't know about you, but I like having the little tiny border around that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you, this is the little page that I cut out of a magazine, and I just thought it was so adorable. So this is another one of my card series for using magazine images instead of expensive clip art. So the only cost you would have would be the $2.99 for the whole set of my papers if you wanted them to come out exactly like that. And then these amazing dies. I found these on Amazon. I will link them below. And for Halloween, I just thought these were so cute. I don't know if you can see it there. I've got some other dies from other sets, but it says Happy Halloween, which I'll probably use anyway. But how cool is that? So, oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Okay, my camera's kind of crooked, and that's bothering me, because I like everything to be lined up. There we go. That's better than it was. All right. What I know that I'm going to do right now is take my hybrid palette ink and my ink dauber and I'm I'm gonna go over the edges because I if you want to, you could even just actually hit the edges, which I sometimes like to do, because when I'm doing just the daubing like I was doing, it's just hitting the top of it. But I really like those black edges. And that's what I'm getting now, which is really even going to make this stand out even more. Okay, so I think after I tack that down, the next thing I'm going to do is use my die cut machine again. And I want to put this Happy Halloween probably right there, just in plain black. I'm not going to do anything fancy with it. And I like this little ghostie that came from a different set, so we might put him right there in the corner. I'm glad this just happened. I picked up my piece of black cardstock that's made out of the same material that the card was cut from, and tried to run it through the machine, and guess what? It wouldn't run because this card was thicker than this paper. So all I have to do is pull the shim out and line this back up again, and then run it through the machine. I'm going to do it off camera here. Yep. You'll hear it. And it ran perfectly. So sometimes you just have to fly by the seat of your pants. Now the fun part about these are that some of them will automatically pop right out and you don't have to worry about it. And then others will insist on being a pain in the tuchus, which this one is definitely doing. Usually when I get a little piece of it off, I'll go ahead and pull the rest of it off. But yeah, there we go. Ghostie. Now let's see how he turned out. He turned out gorgeous, just like Mr. Ghosties do. And there he is. Oh, how cute. So I'm going to tack that down. Put Mr. Ghostie there. Oh, he's cute. And then Happy Halloween will be here. And I will offset that a little bit. You could even take some foam tape and make this piece, the top piece, dimensional. I'm not going to do that just because this is going in my Etsy shop, and that means that people are going to have to put it in an envelope to send it. So that's all I'm going to do for that. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. I realized that while I do a lot of Victorian things, and I will get back to that soon because I made some Victorian Halloween papers that you're going to love. I've not uploaded them yet to my shop or my website, but please keep checking those places. I upload something at least once, maybe twice a week, but that's usually what I shoot for with the frequency. If you have any questions, please ask. Please, please, please. My channel is new. I get some viewers. I don't get very many comments. I don't get any likes on them, and that makes me feel bad. Sorry, I'm just honest. No, it kind of does, because you put your heart and your soul out there and then you don't get anything back. And it's a bummer. I mean, it's not like I'm going to lose my life over it, but I'm just being honest. I'm sure a lot of you who are new startups for your business go through the same thing. And it can just be a little disheartening. So, yeah, if you have any questions, ask me. And be sure and check out, I'm going to upload it later. Well, it'll actually be before this one, but check out the other video of the spooky cats. And that will do it. I hope you guys have a great night. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Ooh.